Hello everyone, CaffeineMan here, and today we are going over the brandiest brand new drink from Alani Nu, and that is their Juicy Peach. And I've heard from the YouTube gurus, because who doesn't love YouTube gurus, that thumbnails might not be as important, because you guys may have noticed that when you go to your YouTube homepages and stuff, all you do is like hover over the video, and it starts to show you the beginning of the video. So they've been saying you better have a good opening to keep people entertained. So to that, I say, enjoy this. I like my intro. Hello again everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. On my channel, I go over everyday energy for everyday people. What's that mean? I've done 2 videos that no one seems to care about right there that explains in detail what it means, so feel free to check those videos out. But in short, it means I mostly do energy drink reviews as well as caffeinated products and the occasional caffeine safety video. If that sounds right to you, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every Tuesday night and one on the weekends. And if you like my content, feel free to share it with everybody. Share it with your friends, your family, even your enemies. But I know a lot of you are nice people, so you don't have many enemies. Also, I did just start a website, so big things happening for CaffeineMan. Be sure to check it out at CaffeineMan1.com. You can find out a little bit more about me. I post my videos there, and I do plan on doing occasional articles. And most importantly, if you want to save money on energy drinks, I have all of my affiliate links there and all my coupon codes there. You can save money on just about any energy drink with all the coupon codes that I have. If you are not bored yet about me advertising about myself, in today's video we're going over the new Alani Nu Juicy Peach, and I gotta say I'm excited. I always get excited by Alani Nu energy drinks because they always do a good job. When they first came out, I did a review on them and I thought that they were pretty good, but then ever since that first review, they started coming out with new drinks, they started revamping their package, and they really started stepping up their quality, because a lot of their new drinks I've been a big fan of, and everyone who watches my channel knows that I am a fan of peach flavored drinks, so I definitely have some high hopes for this Juicy Peach. If you do want to know everything about what is in these drinks and a little bit about how the company got started, I can recommend my very first video. It's a little bit of an older video, but the information still holds true, and I've reviewed every single Alani Nu drink after that, so be sure to check out my channel if you're interested about any of the Alani Nus. And since I've gone over all that information in my other videos, only thing we're gonna do here is taste it out. Just gonna grab it from my CaffeineMan fridge. If you guys are looking for Alani Nu, they don't have this new one just yet, but they will shortly at Campus Protein. You can save 10% off when you use coupon code CaffeineMan10. The link to Campus Protein will be on my website, or you can just use the coupon code. This drink does have 200 milligrams of caffeine in a 12-ounce can, so you are definitely gonna be able to feel the effects of the caffeine in this drink, but it also uses L-theanine to help balance out some of those jittery feelings that you would normally get from a 200 milligram energy drink in 12 ounces. That's a lot of caffeine per ounce. Let's take a look at the can. Hey, and here's the can. Really great graphics on here. You know, they got their logo nice and big. They used a fancy font for the Juicy Peach, a nice juicy kind of font. Big peach on there. Like I said, they've really been stepping up their graphics. Here's what they used to look like. Good job, Alani Nu. Let's taste it out. Clear color. A lot of the drinks are clear now. Companies have been realizing that people don't like artificial colors, but I still put it in a clear cup just for you guys. Let's taste it out. So for your carbonation, you're getting a medium to a high on the carbonation, but they do tend to go a little bit closer to medium. They do know a lot of people use these for pre-workout, so you don't want to be too gaseous when you're at the gym, or gaseous in general. As for the sweetness, you are getting, you know, I want to say medium to high sweetness, closing in on high. I don't really think it hit that high mark just yet. Yeah, it is on the high end of medium, closing in on high sweetness. And for your flavor profile, I am going to say that you are also getting close to that high mark, but hasn't quite hit it just yet. And it is a pretty solid flavor. It is a pretty good flavor, but I gotta say, peach is a very, very, very competitive category. And even though some companies have like peach mango, some of them go for like sour peach rings. There's a ton of them on the market, so it's just very, very competitive. And actually, that can I just showed you is actually sour peach ring. So I'm wondering if they discontinued this one and maybe replacing it with the Juicy Peach, because why would you have two peaches in the line? But they are fairly different. The sour peach was more of a lightly soured peach rings, peach candy kind of flavor. And I think with this one, they're trying to go for a little bit more of a natural peach flavor as opposed to a candy peach flavor. But similar to the sour peach rings, I thought that the flavor was kind of light in the sour peach rings, and the peach flavor is, I think, a little bit light in this drink. You can definitely taste it, trust me. You know that it's peach. It's a solid peach flavor. But in comparing it to a lot of the other flavors out there, a lot of the other companies that I think of when I think peach, I think about the C4 Smart Energy. Even though it's peach nectar mango, it's still a solid peach flavor. Very sweet, very powerful, potent peach flavor. And even G Fuel Sonic Peach, a very strong candied peach kind of flavor. So you're probably saying, well, don't compare it to peach candies, to do natural peach. And I thought Monster Ultra Peachy Keen is a very good, sweet, natural peach flavor. So like I said, there is a lot of competition for peach. And even though this is a solid flavor, it is a good flavor, there are probably other peaches I would pick up before this one. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at the CaffeineMan rating chart so you can see all those peaches on there. Unfortunately, if you're on your mobile phone, you're probably not going to be able to see all those, but there's nothing I can do about that. But yeah, definitely a lot of peaches on there, definitely a lot of high scoring ones. And I do actually think that I like the sour peach rings that they had before this one a little bit more than this one. That one scored an 8.5. I'm going to give this one an 8.4. If you know the rating chart, or if you don't know the rating chart, it doesn't matter. 8.4 is a good score. It's not a superior score like in the 9s, but 8.4 is still a good score. But there are probably a lot of other peach flavors I would have before getting the Alani Nu Peach again, and I would probably drink a lot of the other Alani Nu flavors before I bought this one again. So I guess I'm not going to buy this one again. But you guys should try it out for yourself. I always say that just because I like it. You know, I like the sweet, strong flavors. You might like this because it is a little bit lighter than those strong ones. Still solid flavor. Okay, I'm done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, be sure to check out my website, CaffeineMan1.com. Give me some suggestions what you think I could add to it or change. Always looking to upgrade my website and content. And if you like this video, be sure to share it with others to get the name out about CaffeineMan. Really appreciate it. Until next time, have yourselves a great day. Or night. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at the CaffeineMan rating chart so you can see all those peaches on there. I had to wait for Amazon.